Hi, I'm Richard Morreale, and I want to give you another project management killer idea that you can use to help achieve project management excellence. One of the habits that successful project managers practice is the habit of staying focused. Staying focused on delivery of the agreed goals and objectives is not only important for the project manager to practice, it's also important for the entire project team and the project board. And one way to help the team stay focused is to make sure that whatever you want them to stay focused on is visible. So, make the goals and the objectives visible. Print them on posters, put them on the walls of the office, put them in the meeting room, provide laminated handouts to everyone, put them on coffee mugs, mouse pads, bookmarks. You can develop a project logo too that typifies the goals and objectives. Use the logo on project documentation, letters, email banners, and such. Now you and your team need to come up with ideas of where to make the goals, objectives, and logo visible. Develop a project motto that also typifies the goals and objectives. For instance, when I was the program director for IT Systems Replacement Program for one of the largest banks in England, I asked the chief executive what was his most important priority in terms of IT. He told me his most important priority was keep the show on the road. In other words, keep the systems running so that the business could continue to operate. He said his other most important priority, now I'm sure you've had more than one most important priority, was to deliver the systems replacement program that I was managing. Well, we had a good think about what he said and came up with the motto, SRP, keeping the road under the show. Okay, guys, so it's a little wet, but it grew on us, and we eventually used it in conjunction with our SRP logo. Add a little fun to the project and have a contest to see who can come up with the best logo and motto. Buy a bottle of champagne for the winner. Dip into your own pockets if you don't have the budget on the project to do it. It's worth it. And who knows, maybe the winner will give you a sip. Well, that's it for now. Join me again soon for another project management killer idea that you can use to help achieve project management excellence. See you soon. I think it got me. And I was